Menteri Wakmi ya ketenat jengok kai ubak po lingdo henen kesngi ula penmena ya ke jingple ya kata masa jengok kai ha Meghalaya kata masa Shillong cherry blossom ke balai. Uba lingdo ula pentip ba ka ne kata masa ka banlong haki lais ngi Naduh ka khat nyau Tarik hadu ka khat kendai Tarik ha RBDSA Sports Complex Hari Boy District ka kermen bakan long ka basyongshit bat ka basa jingken mau na ka benta ki nongwan jengok kai. Ula pentip ru ba menta usnem ka sorkar Meghalaya kala bay iway point kendai keluar tingka na ka kendai keluar tingka. Uloong bala kami lenti bapalat sila ngut kinong wan jengok kai kin wan syakane ke Tamasa lek kemen balai sngi.
Which is why we call it Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, because we would like those visitors to not just be part of the show, the 3-day show, but that they would also spend time to travel to Shillong and beyond. Maybe go to Sora, maybe go to Dauki as well. I can share this with you, but as I revealed just now, Neo, for instance, is an international act. He's a Grammy Award winner, singer-songwriter, and so he's a well-known name. Ronan Keating has been performing for years, and he's also a household name here in Meghalaya. Jonas Blue is a well-known artist.